Right, what is up guys? We're here in a lovely little abandoned house. Tiny little farmhouse, isn't it? But this is chocker. This place is full. So
I'm just read something back from 1940.
Yes.
So they obviously lived in 1940.
Any history that we do get, obviously that'll be on the beginning of the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash that like, drop us a comment. And this place is chocker. Look at this. All these plates are all still in here. The place is covered with cobwebs. And I'm not even joking, this place looks like it's ready to fall down, in all honesty. And it will be such a shame once all of this is gone. What is that? Is that a washer or dryer? No, I ain't 100% sure. Oh, look at that fridge. That is old. Is it called a Jackson? Obviously there is a lot of things in here. I'm hoping I'm going to capture a lot of what you guys like. I've got Air Fats Domino 3 CD. Wow, look at them, this is rammed. It's such a little kitchen. Does say wash only, medium heat? A washer. Look at this sink. That is full to the brim. Loads of little bits all on it. And I'm surprised that it's got an auger in it, to be honest, but it does. And you know, it looks really good, to be honest. I love these type of ovens, as you'll know if you're a regular watcher. So look at all these cleaning. That fairy, where was that from? Don't know. Asda, I'd imagine, because you've got some Asda disinfectant there. Reduced for quick sale, £1.40, 44 I think. Wow. Look at these. Look at the sweets. Black and bullseyes. Black bullseyes, sorry. Wow, that's awesome. Stack of letters here. Oh wow. That in plastic, that little horse and cowboy. Whoa. So we'll come into this living room area where Megan is.
Suitcases full of letters. You can open it.
Use it. Just we'll get a little, try and get an overview of this room. You'll see that in the corner just there, the wall is coming away. You know, this is very risky actually, being in this house, I think, personally. Haven't been upstairs yet, but we will see.
So if you're watching the video, you know,
yeah, we survived.
I didn't say that.
Loads of motor books up here, you know. Car books, all on how to fix stuff. Look at that. Wow. Is that like an 8210? Nokia 8210? I think I had one of them. Is that Sony? Might be a Sony. What is in here? I feel like that's ashes or something. Oh, I don't know, but there's some old keys in that. Oh yeah. Okay, look at all the shredders in that. Pictures. Come across on this side. Oh, look at this. This underneath the stairs. I can't get in there, but try and come down. Show you as much as we can. Loads of tin food, cream soda, baked beans. I have no idea what's under this stairs this side, but oh god, see what you mean about this old suitcase.
Tiny.
It's nice though, isn't it? I like these.
There's loads of that, isn't
It looks sort of really vintage. You got your everyday cornflakes. I have a feeling there was an old person that lived there.
there? There's a lot of.
Look at this. Look. It's like a little mini sofa. It's like a 1.5 seater. Looks like it possibly could have been a recliner as well. Fridge is in here for some reason. Wow, look at that. Great aircraft of the world.
Very good.
Loads of bowls. Oh, cool. Looks like we've got a little tea set and that in here. Extra lantern. Cordless. Looks like the packaging looks like it's from like the 80s or something. Book there. Oh, sorry, overshot it there. Michelin Italia. Got a box. Nothing inside. I've got a housewife kit there as well. But another housewife kit down here. Looks like we've got there's trays, mats as well. Quite a few bits in here. Shut this door, come around. Wow, there's tons. Look at that little teapot there. All these old books. They're all Haynes manuals. So whether this guy had, you know, tons of cars at some point. You've got a whole pair of glasses there. Looks like a little hand sewing machine, easy stitch. Wow. And then all of this is in the corner. Sort of.
I'm just going to try and get around you so I can start.
Okay, electric fireplace there.
Has that got that? It's like a church chair. And that's the back, isn't it?
I don't know what that is,
Springs on that.
but yeah, go on. What's this down here? Looks like a speaker. Wow, this place is chocker full of stuff. Look at the decay on it. Just show you, look at them cobwebs. There is tons of them. Oh, looking forward to sort of getting upstairs, having a look up there. This front door is quite boarded up. We're having to go one at a time as we come in.
It's in here.
What?
I'm going to step over the steps in there.
You're going to come in, okay. You can see there we've got a mattress here, some fluorescent lights. And this mattress is sort of blocking everything up. And you come in and just look at this. Look at this.
This hasn't literally been in here for ages.
No, that's what I mean, no one's been in it.
I'm going over.
Okay, wow, look at the clothes. We're still in the wardrobe.
There's spiders and everything.
Yeah. This place will be riddled with this stuff.
You have to tell me that.
Sorry. Look at that, I can hold it. It's part of the light, isn't it? Electrical heater at the top there. And just sort of look. Sort of show you, look at that crack going all the way across the ceiling.
Oh, spiders.
And you'll see why. Very wary of this house right now.
These are just.
Looks like I've got some old newspaper and that in there. Don't know if you can see back in that corner. Looks like.
Let's take it so I can show you.
Yeah, 2 secs. Oh my god, look at that.
I don't know what I'm standing on.
All the linen and that. Male and female identity. Do you want to have a... So, as long as you... Look at that.
Right guys, warning, warning. Megan's got the camera. Warning. Megan doesn't know how to use it. Right. So you can see in here. Little cabinets. Little jars. What is that? Guys, let me know what that is. Looks like a grinder or some sort, maybe. No idea. Why does that go there? Right. Oh, they're the that jars or what's in that cupboard. Oh, what is that? It's like little. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see what. Right, and then you come up here. Hornsey pottery. It's just so much. I can actually see there's like a hidden fireplace there. Vase. There's just bits everywhere. Look there. Got a clock there. I like that little pot. It's like a Joker pot. Beautiful vase. What's in here? There's loads of little ornaments. Like a shoe brush. Some more in there. And in here you've got loads of little just folded up towels and everything, and then more ornaments. Sheets. It's amazing. Right, back to Chris.
Right, cool. Just trying to show you this little stool and this little cover sat there. What's this say? Daimler 1886. Up the stairs, fingers crossed. Everything stays sound as a pound, please. Oh my god. So this is where, yeah, I'm going to be as careful as possibly can. This is basically down above that room that had all the crack all running up it. So I want to be very careful, especially with the roof as well, the way it is. So you see that there's a lot of water damage that would have come through here. My god, this is just hoarders. No, that's what I was doing. Oh my god.
Can't you see the...
Look at the roof again. And all this furniture. Wow. Wow. I can't believe the furniture's in there like this.
House must have been left for a long time.
Yeah, this must have been there very long.
Only left it, okay.
Do you want to poke through there, Megan?
Yeah.
With this?
Put one more. Oh, here. I'll let you do it. I don't know what I'm standing on.
I know. How are you going to get these things? Be careful, please. I wish I could have got a little. This is above the kitchen, and even that's bowing in. Wow. Again, this is like, that's a bed. That's the mattress and that there. This place is absolutely nuts. I've no idea what that is there. Library of Nations, the Soviet Union. Looks like a little postcard here, or letter. More Haynes manuals. Loads of little books along here. Right guys, keep watching. I'm gonna go outside, show you the outside of this place. It's quite nice, quite interesting. Gonna have to be quick because we've got a video premiering in about 25 minutes. So, right, see you out there. Right guys, show you the outside of this place. Got to be a little bit quiet because it does say not to be on here. Obviously we are. So, but look at that. It's an amazing little place, isn't it? It's got a few little sheds and that out there, but I'll show you the first one. You'll see there, look at these old tables and that. Wow, I'll show you this. Look at this little outhouse. Looks like it's been damaged and fallen through.
That's part of the kitchen, isn't it?
Yeah.
Even got curtains in.
Nuts. Got a storage area in it.
It's pretty cool.
Obviously that looks like that's a door. I probably went through there.
I like this one.
Yeah. But we're out of here guys. There are people. Don't get out. You're not meant to be in there. There's a yard next door for the cars. So we're a bit wary. Do they own it or not? Well, not own it, but you know how they're developing it or not, I don't know. But
looks like they've started to, but just started on the outside first. But I'll tell you what,
absolutely.
I'd rather do the inside first.
Bit of a
Yeah,
messy one,
I
wasn't it?
reckon he did live. I say he. I'm guessing it's a he. But I reckon, yeah, he did live like that. You can just kind of tell with
Unreal.
like all the furniture, because you think even though it's piled up, how the hell can all that furniture fit in that little house?
No, they couldn't.
It was lovely. We enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Apart from spiders, and I'm really itchy now because I hate them.
Hope you guys as well. If you did, subscribe. If you already subscribed, we love you. Hit that like, drop us a comment, and let us know what you thought. Are you
on
happy?
the next video, I'm happy.
I'm happy too. Catch you on the next one, guys. Bye.